Did you know that the longest known case of hiccups lasted 68 years? Can you imagine that? Hiccups are contractions in your diaphragm, which then cause your vocal cords to suddenly shut and make a funny hic sound. They are triggered by lots of things, including fizzy drinks, alcohol, spicy food, eating too fast, smoking, and stress. Everyone swears by a different cure for hiccups, like holding your breath, biting on a lemon, or pulling your knees to your chest, but nothing's actually been scientifically proven to work. Hiccups should only last a few minutes, but they can stick around for hours. If yours lasts more than 48 hours, pay your doctor a visit.